nth term of an arithmetic progression. So first, before going to find the nth term of this arithmetic progression, so start from first term. So as we know that first term a1 is equal to a, and the second term a2 is equal to a plus common difference d, and third term a3 is equal to, so second term plus common difference. So what is second term? So this is second term a plus d, so this is second term and this is common difference, so which is equal to a plus 2d. And fourth term a4, so third term plus common difference, so third term is a plus 2d, this is third term plus common difference, so which is equal to a plus 3d. And fifth term a5 is equal to fourth term plus common difference. What is fourth term? a plus 3d, so this is fourth term plus common difference, so which is equal to a plus 4d. And sixth term a6 is equal to fifth term plus common difference, and fifth term is a plus 4d plus d, so this is equal to here 4d and 1d 5d, a plus 5d. So similarly in the same way tenth term, so a10 is equal to, so a plus 9d, we can write a plus 9d because second term a plus 1d, third term a plus 2d, and fourth term a plus 3d, fifth term a plus 4d, sixth term a plus 5d. So in the same way, so sixth term a plus 5d, so here 5 plus a plus 5d, so in the same way 10th term is a plus 9d, and 20th term a10 is equal to a plus 19d. So all these terms can be written as, so this is a plus, this 19 can be written as 20 minus 1 into d, so this 19 is 20 minus d, and this 10th term a plus 9d, so this 9 can be written as 10 minus 1, 10 minus 1 is nothing but 9, so a plus 10 minus 1d. Similarly sixth term can be written as a plus 6 minus 1 into d, and this fifth term a plus 4d, this a plus 4d can be written as a plus, this 4 can be written as 5 minus 1 into d, and this fourth term a plus 3d, so a, this 3 4 minus 1, so into d, so fifth term a plus 4 minus 1 into d, and the third term a plus 3 minus 1 into d, and the second term a plus 2 minus 1 into d, and first term a plus 1 minus 1 into d. So 1 minus 1 is nothing but 0, 0 into d 0, so it is A. So in the same way, nth term of AP is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, nth term of AP is A plus n minus 1 into D. So where A is first term and D common difference, and what is n? Nth. It is what is n? N is a positive integer. Positive integer, nothing but natural number. A positive integer, nothing but natural number, because number of terms, first term, second term, third term, fourth term. Okay, so number of terms definitely a positive integer or natural number. Okay, so this is nth term of arithmetic progression. Example 3, find the 10th term of AP 5, 1, minus 3, minus 7, dash dash. So this is arithmetic progression. In this arithmetic progression, we have to find 10th term. Okay, so solution for this is so as we know that here the first term A is equal to 5 and common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1. What is A2? 1 and A1 5. So which is equal to minus 4. The common difference is minus 4. Now first term is given 5 and the common difference D is given, and n is equal to 10 is given. Now 10th term. So actually what is nth term? Nth term formula is an is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, this is nth term. Now 10th term is equal to so A, what is A? 5 plus 10 minus 1 into D. What is D? Minus 4. So is equal to 5. So this is 9 into minus 4. Now 5, this is 5 plus 9 4s are 36. Okay, this plus 5 and this is minus 36, which is equal to minus 31. So this is the 10th term. This is 10th term of this arithmetic progression. Okay, so tenth term of above arithmetic progression is minus 31. Example 4, which term of AP 21, 18, 15 dash dash is 81 minus 81? Which term of AP 21, 18, 15 dash dash is minus 81? Is there any term 0? Give reason for your answer. So answer for this question. So here A, first term is 21 and common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1, that is 18 minus 21 is equal to minus 3. So common difference is minus 3. Okay, the first term is known A and common difference D is we know. So if let nth term is minus 81, then we have to find n. We have to find n where n is positive integer. Where n is positive integer. This n is positive integer. So an is equal to what we know? The nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d, which is according to our assumption the nth term is minus 81. Now substitute a, d in this. Okay, so what is a? 21 plus n minus 1 into d. What is d? D is minus 3 is equal to minus 81. Okay, so 21 plus minus 3 into this minus 3n, and minus into minus plus 3 ones are 3 is equal to minus 81. Now this 21 and this 3, 24 minus 3n is equal to minus 81. Now transpose this 24 to that side. Minus 3n is equal to minus 81, and this plus 24 will become minus 24 when we transpose to right side. And how much it is? 8 minus 81 and minus 24, it is minus 105. Minus 105. So 3 minus 3n is equal to minus n05. So n is equal to minus 105 by minus 3. So minus gets cancelled, and this is 3 is 3. Okay, so we get 35. So therefore 35th term is minus 81. 35th term is minus 81. Is there any term 0? Is there any term 0? Let for n value, let for n value an is equal to 0 for some n value let for some n value an is equal to 0. Okay, let for some n value an is equal to 0. So what is the nth term? So a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 0. So a is 21 plus n minus 1 into d is minus 3 is equal to 0. Now again this is 21 minus 3n plus 3 is equal to 0. So this is 24 minus 3n is equal to 0. So transpose this 24 to that side. minus 3n is equal to 0 minus 24. When we transpose this 24 to that side, it will become minus 24. So therefore n is equal to, this is minus 24, and transposing this minus 3 to that side, it will divide minus 24, which is equal to plus 8. Okay, so therefore 8th term of the above arithmetic progression is 0.